Okay, so I put this monkey on my dog, Velcro. We're gonna see what he's gonna do. Come on, Mickey! Come on!
Stop teasing him!
Someone wouldn't associate you with having a tricky life.
I've been stuck for years. I'm genetically programmed to return to dull pedestrian.
Mickey!
Should be happy.
Mikey! Oh God. Yeah, so I put it back on.
No, I'm not sure that I was. I can't help imagining that this crazy enterprise might just come off. Fake, Dr. Alfred? Yes, all right then, fake.
He seems not to be active, but usually he just runs around in circles like that till he gets it. So he does like, whee, see. Okay, he's gonna tear it up so far.